Hi, my name is Mrs. Jenkins, and today I'm going to teach you how to play the Make 10 game. The objective of this game is to practice mental addition and subtraction strategies that make 10. This aligns with the PA Core Standard, Use Mental Strategies to Add and Subtract Within 20. Before we start our game, let's review the addition facts that equal 10. 1 plus 9 and the turnaround fact 9 plus 1 equal 10. 2 plus 8 and the turnaround fact 8 plus 2 equal 10. 3 plus 7 and the turnaround fact 7 plus 3 equal 10. 4 plus 6 and the turnaround fact 6 plus 4 equal 10. And our doubles fact 5 plus 5 equal 10. For this game, you need a deck of cards. Divide your cards into two piles. The first pile should have the ace cards and all of the number cards 2 through 10. The second pile should have the jokers, kings, queens, and jacks. As soon as you're done, get rid of those jokers, kings, queens, and jacks. We will not use them in this game. You will be left with the number cards 2 through 10, and ace, which will represent the number 1. Grab a partner and let's play. One partner will need to shuffle the cards and place them in a stack face down. Player number 1 will need to deal 5 cards face up in the space between the two players. Player number 1 will then look to see if they can find 2 cards that equal 10. 2 plus 8 equal 10. Player number 1 will take those 2 cards. Player number 2 will replace those 2 cards with cards from the deck, and player number 2 will see if they can find 2 cards that add to equal 10. 9 plus 1. So player 2 will take those 2 cards. Play returns to player 1. Player 1 replaces the 2 cards and looks for 2 that add to equal 10. Oh no, there are not 2 cards that add to equal 10. So player number 1 will put 2 cards on the bottom of the deck, replace it with 2 new cards, and continue. Play will go back and forth between player 1 and player 2 until all of the cards are gone. The person with the most pairs wins. Think that game was a little too easy? Then maybe you're ready for a challenge round. In the challenge round, you are going to try to use more than 2 cards to make 10. This time, think of adding and subtracting. For example, take a look at these 5 cards. What do you notice? 9 plus 7 equals 16 minus 6 equals 10. Try again. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Catching on? Still think this is too easy? Then maybe you're ready for a super challenge round. In the super challenge round, you need to think of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. What do you notice? I noticed that 2 times 5 equals 10. What do you notice now? I notice that 5 times 4 equals 20 minus 10 equals 10. And there you have it. Now you know how to play the Make 10 game. I hope you had fun and that you'll play the game often to practice your addition and subtraction facts.